Today we're going to be taking a look at the Etrailer landing gear set. This is going to be perfect for fifth wheel trailers and RVs. It's a dual jack design. It's going to raise and lower for easy leveling. It's going to have this telescoping steel connecting rod that's going to allow you to operate both at the same time. At the bottom of each leg is going to be a foot plate. So that's this large piece right here. That foot plate is going to really add a lot of stability to each leg, and it's going to prevent sinking on softer surfaces. The unit also has drop legs at the bottom of each jack leg, and so that's going to allow for further adjustability. The unit's going to feature a durable black powder-coated finishing on the outer tubes and zinc finishing on the inner tubes, drop leg, and foot plate, and that's going to really do a great job at resisting rust and corrosion, ensuring that these last and look good for a long time. Now, to operate the unit, it does require a manual hand crank that would connect to this piece right here. The hand crank is sold separately. You can find it at Etrailer.com with part number RV-Lg-Hdl. The unit can also have a 12-volt DC motor added to it. That's available with part number M1230, and that's sold separately as well. Now, I did some measurements on this unit. The overall retracted leg height, so from the bottom of the foot plate to the top of the jack with the unit in the fully retracted position, measured 32 3/4 of an inch. I also did that measurement with the unit fully extended, so as high as it will go without using the drop leg, and got a measurement of 53 1/4 inches. So if we subtract those two measurements, that's going to give us a travel measurement of 20 1/2 inches. The drop legs on the unit, they're going to provide an additional 16 inches of travel, and then the adjustment holes on those drop legs are separated on center by 1 inch. So that's going to be the incremental height adjustment. The drive leg, that's this right here, this leg, it has the gearbox. So with it in the fully retracted position, the gearbox adds about another 3 inches. So the retracted height with the gearbox on there is going to be about 35 3/4 of an inch. Now, the unit's going to feature a combined weight capacity of 8,000 pounds. The foot plates measure 8 inches long by 6 1/8 of an inch wide. The unit is going to mount to the frame clamps on your trailer. It's got the weld stops on there. The frame clamps are also available at Etrailer.com if your trailer is not already equipped with those. The distance between the weld stops, so from the bottom of this one to the top of this one, that's going to be 15 1/2 inches. From the top of this one to the bottom of this one is 17 1/2 inches. So you can take that measurement out to your trailer and see if this setup would work for you. That is a standard measurement, so this will work on most applications. When the legs are as close together as possible, the distance that we have from inside of one leg to inside of the other leg measured around 44 1/2 inches. I also telescope this as far apart as possible, and inside to inside the legs were separated by 72 inches. That's going to do it for today's look at the Etrailer landing gear set.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at Etrailer.com.